I'm Stephanie Dowell with Terrapetratox. I'm a medical geologist. I want to show you how to use the Pro Series 3 in the long-term configuration. In this configuration, we're placing the detector for 3 months to up to a year. And this is where we're going to find out what the values are in our home. Let's go down to the basement and have a look. Today I'm going to show you where to place your radon detector. I'm heading down to the basement of my home because I want to detect the radon in the lowest level in the home that I'm living in. So let's figure out where to place our Pro Series 3. I want to show you where to place the detector once you're in the room you're trying to measure. The first thing I want to avoid is the window. I have a window here and I don't want to put the detector in the window frame or anywhere near the window. The second thing is to make sure that you're a good arm's length away from the outside wall, because we don't want to have the detector too close to that outside wall. I also want to make sure that I place the radon detector away from my inside wall by a good arm's length as well. I also don't want to put the device too close to an air vent that's coming down. I've got one here in the ceiling, and I don't want to place the device anywhere near that. It should be at least an arm's length away from the ceiling itself. I'm going to place the device on this stool over here. We're up off the floor. It can be a waist height or a little higher. We're plugged in. We're ready to go. Let's have a closer look. I now want to show you how to configure the Pro Series 3 for a long-term test. Now, the long-term test, if you remember, is 3 months or greater. This actually can be run for up to 5 years, but you'll need at least 3 months. I'm pressing the button, the menu button. I want to reset the values so that where the device was before, we want those old readings to go. And I'm waiting until I see the letters CL come up. I got the alarm on, A on, that's excellent, 2 dashes. The CL. And the CL is all ready to go, and I'm just switching it again up to the L. That's the long-term test. Notice the device is in exactly the same position, the same place in the house that I had it when I did the short-term test. This is important to remember. The long-term configuration of the Pro Series 3 is now in place. We're going to keep it there for 3 months to up to a year. After 3 months, have a look at the monitor and see what it's saying on your device. If it's between 200 and 800, you're going to want to remediate within 2 years. If it's over 800, you're going to want to remediate your house within a year. This is to prevent the chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and the lung cancer that have been shown to be a product of having radon in your house.